Hi guys! Nako, kakatapos lang ng, actually, hindi pa tapos. It's just a long day after Kai's birthday today. At si Kai nakatulog na within just 8 p.m. Sobrang knackered. Sobrang antok na antok at pagod. Well, anyway, sobrang overwhelmed lang ako. Kung makikita nyo, medyo teary-eyed pa rin ako kasi after nung, kanina hindi pa ako emotional. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na nakapajama na ako kung gaano kami kaswerte. Lalo na marami talaga nagmamahal kay Kai. So, actually guys, alam nyo ba, sa dami ng mga nag-gift na kay Kai, di ba, may mga shoes, expensive, yung mga expensive shoes, toys, clothes, including whatsoever. Pero, ito ang pinaka one of my favorite na nag-gift kay Kai. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan yung my first year, Kai Albert. Ayan yung birthday niya. Ayan, ito yung first month sa rin niya, di ba? Pakaliit pa niya. And then, ayan, bigla siya naging butchog agad. Oh, may second, third, fourth, 5, 6. Ayan, nakadapa na siya, nakaupo. Ayan na guys, ayan. At yung kanyang first birthday. And eto na yung favorite part ko. Talagang umiiyak talaga ako guys. Hello world, my first hour outside mommy's tummy. Ayan guys, ang baby ko. Diba? Ang mistiso. Kapula-pula ng anak namin na yun.
Oh yes.
Ayan guys. Ayan ako guys. Ayan si baby. Ayan. Meeting my mom and dad for the first time from the outside world. And then my first 2 weeks at home. Ayan yung inuwi na namin siya. Iba-ibang facial, wala pa talaga, iba pa hindi mo pa ma-feature out. Kung sinong mas kamukha, napaka-cute. Sobra. Ayan, ang ganda guys. And then my first photoshoot. Ayan, tignan nyo naman guys, opak. O, diba? Ang cute. British, na British. At ayan na, Noipy. Starbucks yarn. Ayan, gawa ng Ninang Mimin and Ninong Denver niya yan. Ayan, oh. And trying to be very cute and good boy. Pose. Ay, oh, diba? Si Kai kasi ever since hindi naman to iyaking bata. Iiyak lang to kapag, gutom. Kahit na may poops siya, hindi siya naiyak eh. Hindi pa nangingilala. Ayun na, one of those painful check-ups. Ayan. Ayan si Kai, oh. Ayan, may mga times na, ayan, syempre, hindi mawawala yung ganyan. Part of growing up, nagkaka-fever. Kawawa naman anak ko dito. And when it's hard time to, ayan ang mukha niya, oins. Kamukha niya si Ninang Mimin, di ba guys? Oh, di ba? Eh, siya din nagregalo eh. Siya kasi pinaglihan ko niyan eh. Kaya kamukha niya lagi pagising eh. Masingkit. Milk drunk look. Ayan guys. Ang cute Ayan. Oh. Then, so irresistible even when asleep. Ganyan lang siya. Oh, kala mo, lashing. Ang takaw talaga, dumidi. Ayan guys. Nag-mix feed tayo eh. Breastfeed and formula milk. Then I started to hold the spoon. No one can stop me. Ayan na siya oh. O diba, paano ba namang hindi mabigat si Kai? Solid eh. O, papaya. Puro healthy foods lang talagang pinapakain ni mami dyan. This, I'm full look. Ayan, happy siya. And then, sitting and standing with support. Ayan o. Wow. And the Marites look. Aba, Marites ka na anong tinitingnan-tingnan mo dyan? Ayan sila o. O. Pakakit. My first and recent trick or treats, mom nailed it. Ayan kami. My first year and my second year as a chatty. Wow. My first Christmas. Hello, Baba. Ay, kapugi naman ang baby Santa namin Yabang naman, oh. Wow. DIY lang yan. Saudi kasi tayo eh. Pero ang ganda, di ba? My first and recent seaside experience. Aba, angas 1-year-old nakapagpalawan at Boracay na. Pogi. Angas Yan na guys, malaki na si Kainet guys. Then, playtime. Ducky. His favorite Ducky. Yan po ang una niyang favorite. Then, after, baby shark na. Ito siya guys, yung newborn. Sabi ng nurse doon, si Kai daw pinakamalakas mag-sucking reflex means dumede. So, ibig sabihin, very good talaga yung health. Niya talaga, Apgar score. Tsaka very healthy. And after that, and me with dad drinking. So, while his dad is drinking his beer, so he's having his milk. Look at that. O, diba? Banding din sila guys sa ganyan. Next, to whom I owe this charming look. Syempre kay mami na yan. Mama, hello, baba. Adorable poses. Naks naman. And, different travel looks. Ayan na si Kai. Ang aking travel pogi. Ganyan mga niya eh. Ganyan lang siya guys. Napaka-behave lang niya nung bata siya talaga. Walang iyak sa aeroplano. Happy lang. Kaya lahat ng FA tuwan-tuwa sa kanya guys. Ngayon, ang kulit na. When your parents dress you whatever they like. Sa Jollibee, bidaan, saya pa. Ayaw niya yan guys eh. Pinilit lang namin na initan kasi sa UK. And this one, sa partner sila ng match sila ng daddy niya. Ayan, eating out. Diba? See how the camera loves me? Siyempre. More picture, more fun. And all these charms and great genes came from who? Guess who? Sino ba ang nanalo, guys? Oh, kayo na nga humusga. Sino? Si daddy niya? O si mami niya? That's me, guys. And that's Marcos. Sa tingin nyo, guys. Ayun na nga, guys. So we just wanna say
Thank you.
thank you, everyone, for your warm greetings to our precious son, Kay Albert.
It's a great day.
Very simple celebration, yet very happy and
Perfect!
amazing day for him. Then we appreciate everybody, especially our families in the UK, Philippines, France, and all of our friends and followers. So thank you, guys. Naiyak lang talaga ako. Ganun talaga kapag mom ka. To all moms out there, you are really, relate kayo sa feelings na kung ano, lalo na that, you waited this for a long time. Yeah?
Mhm.
We are just blessed. Thank you, guys. That's it. Thank you, everybody. We love you. Bye.